The Prophet ﷺ in an authentic hadith where he says, there is not a dua better than the one that you say, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-mu'afata fi dunya wal akhirah. That's it. You are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, indeed I ask you for al-mu'afata in this world and in the akhirah. What is the meaning of this beautiful word al-mu'afata? Mu'afata literally means recovery, or somebody who's on the path of getting good health and strength and starting to recover from whatever pain or struggle they are going through. Now what you are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here in this dua is you're asking Allah for stability in life. So al-mu'afata is not necessarily restricted to just overall good health, but it also talks about just overall ability to cope with and to understand and to deal with everything that we find in this world. They tend to make life somewhat difficult in whatever way or shape. So al-mu'afata is you're asking Allah anything that you have to confront in this world, but then this dua also says wafil akhirah and the hereafter.